So let's talk about the learning process. The learning process begins with awareness. Everything begins with awareness. From awareness, then we go to discord. Discord is the opportunity to take what we're learning and put it into our already established framework. From discord, we then go to awkward practice. This is where we begin trying things out for the first time. From there, then we move to integration. I'm going to stop there because what often happens is that professional development training only goes from here to here. That's where we're left. Sometimes in really awesome opportunities, we actually get to here. The problem is that if we don't reach here, if we don't get to integration, there's no stick. There's no learning that happens. So when we start to recognize the importance of this process alone, we start to make some recognitions around what's wrong with current professional development experiences, right? And so the goal is that I have reached integration, and with integration, I know that I can keep going in my awkward practice into skilled practice and depending on content, potentially to mastery. Now, the other part of what I want you to look at here is that not only do we have the series of knowledge, right? This is all about the series of knowledge right here, okay? But we also have then the series of skills and competency. So this is the other component of understanding how this process works. We recognize that before we don't know what we don't know, we're at unconscious incompetence. It's then that as we proceed forward, we get to conscious incompetence. And you'll notice that conscious incompetence is about this space in here, right? So most trainings, most professional development trainings only take us into that part where we're consciously incompetent. We know what we don't know. If I have not given people this awkward practice, I haven't given them the tools that they can then use to be able to move themselves into integration, right? Because it's not until we get to integration that we actually have conscious competence, right? And it's through that integration and skilled practice, right, that we're going to move people into mastery, which is where we get to unconscious competence. This is that process of the full learning experience. And remembering that as professional development trainers, the important part is that we have to take people this full experience.